In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit and reset pay runs in Xero Payroll step by step. Whether you've entered the wrong hours, missed a deduction, or completely need to start over, I'll walk you through the safest way to fix it without creating accounting issues. This is a common task for payroll administrators and business owners, especially at the end of a pay period. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the important step about reposting the pay run correctly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Payroll. Then select Pay Employees. This will take you to the list of your current and past pay runs. Here, you'll see different pay periods listed, such as weekly, fortnightly, or monthly runs depending on how your payroll is set up. Click on the pay period you want to change. For example, if you need to update the March 2026 pay run, click directly on that pay period to open it. Now here's something important. If the pay run status shows as posted, you won't be able to make changes immediately. In that case, look for the Pay Run Options button. Click on it, and then choose Revert to Draft. This will move the pay run back into draft mode so you can safely edit the details. Keep in mind that reverting to draft may impact reports temporarily, so it's best to make corrections and repost promptly. Once the pay run is in draft status, you can begin editing. To edit a specific employee's pay, click on the employee's name within the pay run. This opens their individual pay details for that period. From here, you can adjust hours worked, update earnings, modify pay rates, add bonuses, or correct deductions. For example, if you accidentally entered 30 hours instead of 38, simply update the hours field and let Xero automatically recalculate the totals. If a deduction was missed, you can add it in the deduction section before saving. After making your changes, click Save. Repeat this process for any other employees that need corrections. Now let's say things have gone completely off track and you want to start fresh for that pay run. Instead of manually undoing every change, you can reset the pay run data. To do this, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Payroll Options. From the drop-down menu, select Reset Data. This option clears the calculated payroll figures and resets the pay run back to its original unprocessed state. This is especially helpful if calculations are incorrect across multiple employees or if you imported incorrect timesheet information. After resetting, you'll need to re-enter or reapprove the correct payroll details. Double-check each employee's hours, earnings, taxes, and deductions to ensure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once you've completed all edits and reviewed the numbers carefully, it's time to finalize the pay run again. Click Post Pay Run. Xero will process the payroll and update your accounting records accordingly. Always review the payroll summary before posting to make sure totals, tax amounts, and net pay figures look correct. And that's it. That's how you edit and reset pay runs in Xero Payroll safely and efficiently. The key steps are navigating to payroll, reverting the pay run to draft if it's posted, editing employee details as needed, using reset data if necessary, and then reposting the pay run once everything is correct. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Xero Payroll tutorials, bookkeeping tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.